Yo, I just want to go over something with you guys. I'm not a mobile dev at all, and I just discovered a thing called Capacitor. I decided to make a website that need very basic user registration, login, and probably like some payment. It's very basic, and I usually use classic SQL database. I recently started using Mongo database too, which is very nice. Which take less time to set up, in my opinion, than my traditional old school 7-year-old, uh, LAMP stack. So I was thinking about making a very simple backend in Python or Node.js and use a Mongo database. And then my partner on that project, he said that we need a mobile app. What I usually do was to make a simple web view app, and it's been a long time I've did that. And I just realized that like Google Play Store is well known to be lenient. Like it's getting a more strict, but it's not very difficult to put a shit app on the Google Play Store. But for iPhone, it's a bit more difficult. And from what I understood, they don't like WebView app only, and you can get declined. And the app that we're making is for a specific city, and it's to offer rebate to local people and also tourists, because we have deals with local businesses. So we need user registration, like very basic user system, then a database of businesses and rebates, let's put it this way. We want to force the user to create an account to benefit from the rebates. And we're going to handle the businesses in the database and stuff like that, push update, content, media content, and stuff like that on the website. I bought a very simple bootstrap HTML website, which fit perfectly what we are looking for. I've put it on my server, on my developer server. The theme is very perfect for what we're looking for. Of course, there is stuff to change, but this is what we wanted. Then what I did is this is just a basic test. I just put the index for now. I create a debug here. Let me just find it. Where is it? Okay, I've created a field here that's for FCM, because to make a web view, to make a simple web view app, and to put it on the stores like Play Store or Apple Store, we need to add value. And my argument was, if we add push notification, that's added value, because our goal is to communicate with our user through email, mostly. Like we have new updates, we have new businesses, new rebate. But the fact that we can contact a user with push notification if they install the application, and allow notification, even if they are not on the website, thus like even if they are not browsing the website, or email is a bit cheap too. We can we can use I think it's what's the name again? Yeah, Firebase, which is free actually, to push notification to our user, which makes sense in my opinion. It's added value and it's going to be useful for us. But as I said, I'm not a mobile developer. So what I did is I made the most basic possible Capacitor app. I'm not even putting the website in the web directory. I'm just using it as a server with that option. I pointed to my domain, sorry. I add some code here, but I just deleted all because it was confusing. I don't know why ChatGPT was telling me to do this. like it was requesting the FTM token, the Firebase token, to send push notification here and also on the web app. And it was like there was some confusion. It was not working as expected. Something was wrong. So I don't want to induce you guys in a mistake. I don't know if everything here is required, but this is working for me. Initializing the Firebase here as a main activity in the main activity at the Android app SRC main activity. That's what worked for me. I'm not a Java developer. I don't know if this is okay. Maybe deleting this and everything related to Firebase will work. What did I do? There is some comment about. Wait, let me just find it. I run that command and npm install capacitor push notification and also install capacitor itself. There was another other setting, I think. Where was it? Capacitor. There is something related to notification at some point. Notification. Capacitor setting. I think it might be here. Oh no, this is all updated with the command npx cap sync, and if I run this, like, oops. Yeah, so mostly it's editing everything needed, and I just need the push notification. I don't need anything else. Then I decided to, like, I know I can build like I like VS Code, but for some reason I have an old version of Android Studio, and I really hate it. I don't like it. I think I want to update this Android Studio so I can also like, it's not the latest Gradle, it's not the latest. I think it's the latest supported Java, but I'm gonna be sure to see, like, I want to upgrade properly, and since I don't understand everything that's made here, and that ChatGPT was confused a bit on what I wanted to do, I don't want to break it for now, but most likely I'm gonna need to 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 um, to update all these Gradle, Java, and the SDK. I think the SDK is Android 34, the latest SDK 34. I think it's 35 the latest. But yeah, so uh, I'm gonna record. Can I record on my phone? I'm gonna show you what it looked like. So this is the mobile app, and what I want to show you is there is nothing in the mobile app. It's just Capacitor fetching the website and the push notification stuff. And in my index HTML, which is hosted on my server, um, there is a JavaScript code that check if capacitor. If it's not capacitor, we're getting not running in capacitor, push notification not available. So my goal is, and if there is capacitor, we request the permission, and uh, I don't we register for push notification. We get the FCM token. This way I will be able to save it in some sort of login or something like that. And this, I need to take a look at that when there is a notification happening while the app is running. But my own what I really wanted is to add the value of push notification so we can contact customer through the app, just like very basic update, so we can pass, like we can add value and pass the test for Google Play Store and um, App Store. I'm gonna record on my phone too, and I'm gonna try to join the video. So basically, this way, like from a PHP guy, like my first programming language was PHP. I don't like doing website. I'm not a designer, and I'm not a mobile app dev. But this setup is gonna make me is gonna simplify me the task of making one system, one simple HTML, Bootstrap, JavaScript like jQuery user interface, a simple backend and API to log in, register, and yeah. And my goal is in the setting of the user, I want to display the notification. If you want email notification, you can activate it. But also, if you want mobile notification, if you are using Capacitor, it's gonna trigger that function. If you're not running Capacitor, if you're not running the mobile app, we're gonna show App Store and iOS Apple Store buttons, links. This way, we have added value. We have one centralized user front end, and we can edit the website as we want once on the server, and we don't need to create updates on the mobile app side. So I also create the Firebase thing Google service. I've put it in the proper directory, which is Android app. And that's interesting though. I'll try to upgrade the thing before release anything. Of course, we're just a very early development stage. I'll connect my phone. Ah, see, it's telling me that you used them for it. That's cool. Glad that. Okay. Where's my build? I'm confused. There's supposed to be a build button here. I hate Android Studio, I swear. Yeah, I'm gonna fix all the issue, not in this video, but my point is there is some little bugs, but the application is working. Okay, so then we're gonna run the app. I'm gonna record on my phone. So you can see the there is the same website that's shown, but if I hit authorize to the notification, the FTM token is put in the debug, and there is no console debug related to not being in Capacitor. We can see here too. There is the push notification related stuff, and we can see the debug here, the FCM token. I don't know why it's triggered twice. I'll check that. Yeah, so the point is we're able to get a FTM token from the device, so we can then store in the database and send push notification to our user this way. And then I'm gonna add up to Firebase. Sorry. I'm gonna send a notification. This is a dev test for YouTube video. And then we can send to everyone. Now. I'm gonna send this. I noticed that for some reason, sometimes it's very long to. It take a couple of seconds. I guess this is a free service, so I don't know if it's related, but damn, sometimes it take over 10 seconds easy. It's been near a minute. Quoi? See, like it's not sending. I'll close the app. But what I'll do is I'll still retry. See, I got the notification. Wait, I'll send it to my Telegram. I think it's simply because I think the issue is because when the app is running, there might be something here. I don't know. That would make sense to me. Uh, you know what? I'll remove it and I'll upload it on my server. See, this is what the app look like on mobile, and there is the token here that is shown when you accept the notification. And you can see here, this is a dev test for YouTube. I got the notification from the app, but for some reason it worked only when the app was closed. So I just want to debug that because it's really bothering me, and it broke my head for 2 hours yesterday. So just confirm that's the issue. But the thing is, it's nice that I can edit the website and the functionality of the app at one place. And it was always my goal, to create a native web app, and all the like push notification, native push notification was always something that was bothering me. And I think I feel like I found the solution to that. I removed that. I did remove that. And I I'll recreate it. I'll redo the test. I'll remove the application. This was updated. Just clear all that. It's the same thing anyway. And we're gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna record the screen now. So you can see that the app, there's no token shown. If I hit authorize, I see the token. In logcat, I should be able to get the token here. Again, I don't know why it's popping twice, but I'll fix that. And I'm gonna leave the app running for now. Jeez. Let's see, I get this. Oh. Okay, I understand. If you are in the app, I think you need to register. I get it. I think I understand. I removed. Because I removed the handle here, but if I don't close the app and send notification, it doesn't show as it is when the app is closed. Default proper notification. Android does not display system notification when the app is in the foreground to avoid duplication when the app might already have handling. I get it. Okay, solution have set up for the foreground notification. The app, when the app is in the foreground. Start plugin the camera schedule. No. Oh. Do I really want to do this? Okay, let's do this. I thought it was just a presentation video, but that actually makes sense. So we're gonna install the local notification from Capacitor. We're gonna sync it. And here in our index, we're gonna register the handler. This way. I'm gonna uninstall the app. Gonna update my website. Sorry. Clear this. Gonna rebuild it. Like, Capacitor is really what I was looking for in terms of adding the capacity of my mobile development experience. Okay, I'm authorizing. I'm getting the FTM, as you can see here, FCM, sorry. And then I'm gonna go back here. Gonna duplicate it. This is the second test. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Now, and we should see the notification. Let's do this. Come on. I swear they're playing with me. Okay, you just go back here. Wait. I got something. No, the main activity, current setup. Ah, ah. Okay, plugins, schedule. I guess that will make sense now. I'm gonna go back. Gonna delete the app. Gonna do it. Don't think that there's anything to change here. I get the token. Getting the token. Three. Ah, this is so dumb. Okay. It's okay. Okay. Just gonna update it. I'm not gonna recompile the app, but I'm gonna exit it just for the sake of it. And Okay, yeah, it worked. The icon is disgusting, but still, I'm gonna send it here. So you guys can see what it does look like. So when I click allow to the notification, the FTM token, the FCM token thing get here, and it's preserved too over the use of the app, but also I would be able to save it in my backend and attribute it to a user. And then the notification got sent in the foreground because the app is running. Then you can see the notification here, and you can see this is the third test. This is just for YouTube perma notification. So this is my own very custom way to create an Android app with Capacitor using the push notification and local notification um, Capacitor module plugins. This way I can have one centralized website, edit everything there, and check if the user is using the app or not. Thank you for your time. It was nice.